Alright, we're going to look at all of question 4 now. So I have a balanced equation with the zinc, the copper sulfate forming just copper and zinc sulfate. And I want to calculate the maximum amount of copper I could produce, otherwise called the theoretical yield of copper. Alright, so I have 17 grams of zinc. And I'll convert that into moles of zinc using the molecular weight that I wrote down earlier. All right. And at this point, I want the relationship between zinc and copper, the stuff I want and the stuff I gave. I can't just do them straight away like that. I got to get the stoichiometric ratio from a balanced equation. So I'm actually going to balance it by looking at this copper sulfate species because it's got more coefficients with it, or subscripts, I mean. So 2 coppers, so 2 coppers. 3 sulfates, so 3 zinc sulfates, and therefore 3 zincs. So this should be 3 zincs to every 2 coppers, and then 1 mole of copper with its molecular weight would help us calculate the maximum amount of copper we should be able to make. So I'm going to take that 17 divided by 65.38 multiplied by 2, divide that by 3, and then multiply that final thing by 63.55. And I get that at most, my theoretical yield is 11.0 grams of copper. Alright, now after completing it, part B, it says that he only made 10.5 grams. And it wants to know what the percent yield is. Alright, so that is just actual divided by experimental, or no, sorry, actual divided by theoretical. So 10.5 grams is the actual recovered. The 11.0 grams is what we estimated, or was our theoretical yield. We'll divide that and then multiply by 100 to turn it into a percent. So I'm just going to do 10.5 divided by that 11, and then move that decimal 2 places to get 95.3% yield. So there's my 2 problems. Ooh, switch color somehow.